Hello and welcome to this tutorial. We are continuing a tutorial series, and in today's tutorial we are going to discuss some date functions to find out, is it current day, is it previous day, or is it next day. Okay, so what we are going to do is these things we are going to do it in Power Query, and if you would have watched our last video, we have already created a calendar in Power Query, and using that calendar in Power Query which we are going to use these functions. So what I am going to do here is I have already added these columns. Now I want to add a new column, and so I go to add columns, and under that I have the custom column, and let me check, is it today? Okay, so we have function date dot is in current day. Okay, and this came twice, and let's check for the argument. It's required a date time argument, so we give a date. Okay, and we press OK. So we can see false, 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 and now Power Query shows only 1000, but let's keep on scrolling. We reached 2020. Let's wait for 2021. We keep on scrolling, it will keep on adding. So let's say we have reached February, March. At the end we got a true. Okay, so based on today's date, today is 28th when I am recording this, so you are getting it true out here. Okay, so now, so this will be helpful, like I want to set a flag where I say, okay, if this is today, then I should be displaying that. And the other thing which we can do is we can say this is today and rest of the dates as a text date, and we can sort that on the date, and this is what I've shown you in Dex. So same thing also you can do. So if it is equal to if it is today and it's returning true, I can say, okay, this is today. Otherwise I can simply give a text date. Okay, so now let's check, is it next day? Okay, is next day. Okay, it next day. And what is the function? Again, date dot is next is in next day, is in next day. Okay, and again date parameter. Fine. So is in next day, is it the next day? And then okay, and again we have to scroll a bit down if you wanted to see where it is true. October, November, December, February, March, and July, August, September. I will just check it once more, and then I think we can leave it. Okay, reach at the end of March, and you will see one true here and one true here. Okay, same way we have one more function which we are going to add it out here, and this is all part of your calendar. So if you're creating a calendar in Power Query, you need to create certain flags, and you need to create default date which can be selected. All these functions can all. Is it previous day? Is previous day? Okay, let's look at the function date dot is in previous day, is in previous day. Okay, let me see if I can select. Okay, again the same problem. We know this is something which we face pretty often in Power Query. Date. Okay, so we got these, and again if you scroll down you can see that the previous day would be one where it is returning true. So now what I can do is I'll show you one more a custom column example which we are trying to do is uh, today's is today. I create, and why I'm creating, I'll tell you, is today. So if date dot is in current day, if is in current day, date, okay, if it is true, then we can say today, else date to text. Do we have function? Let's see, date to text. We can say date to text. Okay, again double date has come, and we can say first parameter as date. Okay, any other parameter it requires? Format. So format would be or I can give a sortable date format, or I can give mm hyphen dd hyphen yyyy. And Power Query formats may be bit, you need to be careful. Sometimes you have to give a smaller and bigger. So so that's what I think. We need to give bigger. So we click and let's try as bigger. Okay. So Power Query is bit case sensitive, so you need to be a bit careful while giving it. So if this is today. Now what I can do is I will this will not sort, only today is there. So this I need to sort it. I will go ahead and sort it on date, so that these dates get sorted. So this is the way I can do it, and I could have taken care of next day and previous day also by using more conditions. So go ahead and try this out. Do let us know what else you want us to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for new video. Thank you.